Is it showtime? Okay, well, let's do it.
This time on Carware Creeper Garage, an exhaust system. We're making a custom exhaust system to fit the 63 GMC by using a universal kit, welding some things together, and using some scraps that we had around. Stay tuned to see more.
Alright everyone, we have our welded piece of pipes here to come out of the header collector and then up over the transcross member. But I'm going to clean up these welds to make it look pretty.
So after a lot of fiddling and testing and taking apart and testing and taking apart under the truck, we got the driver's side exhaust put together. We have it all welded, and right now I got some high temp paint on it, so letting that dry. So it's all ready to go up, and it'll go up above the cross member and then on the back. So not too shabby. So we have the exhaust, ran all back to the muffler. We're getting now ready to put in the hanger. There's no real good holes to bolt a hanger to, so I'm going to drill a hole here. Scott's up there. He's going to be then welding the hanger to the exhaust pipe. There we go. We're all now ready to weld.
Alrighty, now we're going to buzz on the hanger. Alright, the hanger's on. And now where are we progressing to?
I'll put on the clamp for the muffler. Okay.
Good and tight.
Yeah.
Make the whole tight. Everything's tight. Everything's like not wobbling around. Clearance around everything.
Alright, as you can see here, for the passenger side, we have a mock-up of pretty much what we need. We just have a 45 coming out of the collector and then straight back. And as you can see here, have blue tape, and then I'm going to cut it on this side of the line and the chop saw to shorten this up, and the muffler is going to go here. Alright, and then what you do, pull this back if you have to. Push this up here, put that down, and then before you crank it down, just pull this down. Make sure it's where you need it. Thread this down to lock it. And then you chop. There you have it. Alright everyone, after welding and painting, the pipe to go from the header back is ready, and then after this we can put the muffler on. Alright, to make the tailpipes, you need to make some relief cuts in the muffler, north, south, east, west, to make sure that the clamps it. There we go. Alright, to protect the welds, we're going to use some high temp POR 15 and just gob it on the welds. Simple as that. Alright, that will do. Alright, Johnny is now installing the hanger, and then he's going to put the clamp on to hold the tailpipe into the muffler. Impress us, Johnny. Alright, that concludes the whole exhaust job.
It was exhausting.
And it was very exhausting.
You stole my joke. I stole your dad's joke.
But it's done and over with.
And the O2 bung's even welded in for the fuel injector.
Yes, and the O2 bung for the EFI is welded in. And everything is all nice and tight. And everything's got a clear.
Got clearance, clearance.
Yep. So, that's it.
So that's it. It took a little bit of time, but it's really not too difficult. Like I said, get the universal kit, get to do some welding, and you can make yourself your own very own customized exhaust. It was only slightly exhausting. So, hope you enjoyed it. Watch out, keep a lookout for our next videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe and tell your friends, and we'll see you next time.